Hi everyone, today I'm here at Mubashir office and it was our latest project. Let me show you how it's done. I know, what do you think? It doesn't look like office, right? Yes, because this is a new concept called Coffice, where coffee shop and office meet together. This industrial style, it's really matching to their company profile. They're an advertisement company and there is a lot of creativity needed here from all of them. Our open spaces, it's perfect for them, where they can share ideas easily and communicate easily without any boundaries. Every single place is made for working and resting and enjoying your time. It is mostly a discussion room where you can call your colleagues and have a short meeting, a short presentation. We try to be creative and created this life wall that hopefully after a couple of months will grow and be. This is the meeting room where the board of directors and all the staff have a big meetings. It's for 10 people and maybe a little bit more. The really important touches that we did here is not only the furniture and the meshes as you see, but this artwork was made in-house from us. It is created, it's a texture art by gypsum. We thought it's going to be a nice touch for the meeting room and it really turns out great.